Hello, David Becker here with BeckerArt. Today I want to discuss my channel. So if you're new here, my name is David Becker. Used to be an illustrator for an advertising agency. Now and then since 1983 I've been teaching. And then when COVID came around in 2020, I started teaching here on the internet on YouTube, and I've been doing it ever since. And I actually love doing this for all you students that want to learn about watercolor and gouache, and sometimes acrylic, and sometimes on different kinds of paper, and sometimes with all different kinds of products. So stick around, please subscribe, and find out how you can become a great watercolorist or painter in general, and also a good drawer, because that's one of the things I really am teaching and going to try to do even more of, is teaching you how to draw from your imagination, which is one of the things. I'm writing a book at the moment, and we'll be putting it here on YouTube also. I do a live paint along every Thursday at 6:30 Central Standard Time, every Thursday, unless I'm somewhere where I can't do it. But usually I have a paint along, and I go to my website at BeckerArt.net, or my name, davidrbecker.com, and find what we're going to be painting that Thursday at 6:30 Central Standard Time. Or on Sunday morning, I turn on my camera and I'm in my studio or plein-air painting, and I show you what I'm painting. I go out and show you how I paint something, and it's usually about an hour. All these lessons are 1 hour, and you don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't need to, because you can come back to it later. Please try to watch as much as you can, and I'll also paint along. Most people don't paint along, but you can if you'd like, and you can stop the video to catch up, because I do everything, like I said, in 1 hour. And most of the time I finish it. Sometimes I don't, and then you'll see it usually on my Facebook page or my Instagram page, or all those other social media sites that you can go to. And just go to my YouTube channel here at BeckerArt, as always, BeckerArt, and see what I have. About 700 videos out here already. I'm sure there's something you can learn, all from waxing your watercolors to framing your watercolors to painting watercolors and sketching watercolors, and so a little bit of everything. So thanks for stopping by, and please subscribe, and I will hopefully teach you something that you didn't know. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.